Hi, I'm just showing you here. I live in Canada, and this is the GenStone project that I ended up putting into my home at the front entrance. I am totally amazed of just the look of the brick, how real it looks, and how easy it was to put in. As you can see, I have a lot of crown molding and everything. I have a lot of beautiful oak in my home, and with the colors and the gray front, the entrance with the big, beautiful tile, 2-foot tile floor gray. The colors were just absolutely perfect. The brown, the red in the brick is just perfect to match the oak, and it brings it out. As you see, all the oak is everywhere in the home. The blue even matches in with the gray with the floor. The colors just contrast so beautiful. I mean, the project was just phenomenal. The people at the gentleman that I worked with at GenStone, total professionalism. I'm from Canada, as I said, can't buy this material here in Canada that I know of, and he turned around and wow, he was fantastic. I sent a video with all of my dimensions and everything. He helped me out. I probably was off a little bit on my dimensions, because I did it so good and it was so easy to install that I even had some return material to be returned. Again, they sent labels, everything. I just went to UPS, they took it all back. All my money was installed back to me. Nothing but professionalism, total professionalism. My neighbors, everyone that has seen it is just blown away. They can't believe the real brick look to it.